Hi, Miss. We are Sebastián Jaime and Luis Paredes, and today we are talk about the seven Zapanals or the seven Zapanals waterfalls. So, to start with this presentation, I and share you a short resume about this. A natural disaster can turn an ordinary place into a truly touristic and beautiful place. One excellent example to talk about this is the seven sapanals of the seven sapanals waterfalls. These waterfalls were produced by the phenomenon El Niño in 1982, where a strong alluvium cleaned the mountain and formed these waterfalls. So the seven Sapanas waterfalls are located 1 hour from the Lamana in the in the Estero Hondo. And since enclosure, La Envidia, people walk 1 hour into the forest to the La Elvira Hills, the place where is located the seven Sapanas water. So we choose this touristic place because uh, there are some particular activities to do depending of your plan. There are waterfalls to go in couples, other waterfalls to go for shared family time. And finally, there are interesting waterfall where people only go to do extreme sports. So the most remarkable of these seven Sapanas waterfall is the last one waterfall is called the waterfall of the dead, and people only go for do extreme sport and this has a 95 meter of height. And touristic guide recommends don't go with children for the risk of the place. And one memorable thing about this touristic place is that their owners, the owners of seven Tapanal waterfalls, never thought that the place would convert into a touristic place in the future after the phenomenal Niño. So we recommend you go to this touristic place. Thank you.
Next. Hi, my name is Luis Paredes. Now let's move on to reason why you should visit the seven Zapanals waterfalls. It's an exotic place since it's a destination that is in the middle of vegetation where are found bamboo cane, toquilla straw, bromeliads, heliconias, among other species. There are butterflies, dragonflies, and bees perch, also parrots and toucans. Next. The 6 and 7 waterfalls have an incredible views from where you can see the green landscapes, other waterfalls, and see how the water runs strongly to form the Galope rivers. So that concludes reason why you should visit 7 Zapanal waterfalls. Next. Well, that's overview 7 Zapanal waterfalls. Now just to summarize, let's quickly look at the main points again. The seven Zapanal waterfalls are astonishing because it's beautiful place to see exotic vegetation and animals. It's also excellent to walk and enjoy scenic overlooks or hike. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.